Hi, I'm Stacy, and I am going to show you how our anesthesia machine works with a non-rebreather. We start with an O2 concentrator, but here is our E-tank if needed, but as you can see the E-tank is not hooked up. There is the pressure gauge and the pressure reducing valve. So if we were using our E-tank, this valve would turn this into usable pressure between 40 and 50 psi. That way we don't have too much going to the patient. And then that tells us, of course this machine's off, but that tells us how much pressure is actually in the tank itself. But we do not use the E-tank. We use an oxygen concentrator, which allows us to set this at usable pressure already. So once we turn the machine on, oxygen is delivered through this hose. To our flow meter, which is here. And of course, allows us to adjust here. Goes through the flow meter at this point. Travels along this hose up to the inlet, which is here. Which is here. Into the flow meter, into the vaporizer, and then it goes out into this hose to our patient. Patient breathes, goes through this little valve, and down into the vacuum for a scavenger. Goes out on the other side, discharges through this hose, and this valve, when opened, allows it to leave the building. And that's how our non-rebreather works.